Welcome back to Car Magica. The 2026 BYD Atto 2 is stepping onto the scene with a fresh redesign, bringing a modern, youthful, and tech-focused transformation to one of BYD's most popular compact electric crossovers. Recently spotted undergoing final testing, the all-new Atto 2 showcases a cleaner, more aerodynamic shape with sharper lines and a more upright stance, highlighting BYD's commitment to combining efficiency, style, and everyday practicality. One of the biggest updates is the exterior profile, as the 2026 model shifts away from softer curves and adopts a more structured, squared-off look. At the back, the taillights have been redesigned into a wider, more rectangular layout, giving the Atto 2 a broader, more stable appearance. Up front, the new model takes cues from BYD's Ocean series, featuring slim LED headlights connected by a sleek light bar across the top of the grille area, creating a futuristic and high-tech expression. A larger, lower intake design enhances the vehicle's sporty and confident character. This new front-end styling aligns the Atto 2 with BYD's growing lineup of electric SUVs, while still keeping the compact size ideal for city commuting and daily use. Along the sides, the updated silhouette reveals a more upright design near the rear pillars, likely resulting in improved rear passenger headroom and a bit more usable cargo space. The signature BYD wheel arch design remains, preserving the stylish and youthful attitude the Atto 2 is known for. The new wraparound taillights extend slightly onto the side panels, emphasizing width and stability while giving the crossover a more premium appearance. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, the 2026 Atto 2 continues BYD's focus on advanced electric powertrains with updated battery technology and improved efficiency. The new model is expected to offer both standard range and long-range versions, likely using BYD's well-known Blade battery. The current Atto 2 equivalents offer around 200 to 265 miles of range, and if BYD enhances efficiency, the 2026 model could push even further, making it one of the most efficient EVs in the compact segment. Power output is expected to hover around 150 to 180 horsepower depending on the variant, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience perfect for urban environments. Fast charging capability should also be quicker, reducing downtime on long trips. Inside, the 2026 Atto 2 will likely receive a major tech upgrade, including a new rotating touchscreen, improved interior materials, and updated driver assistance features. BYD is expected to refine the cabin layout to maximize space, comfort, and practicality for small families and everyday drivers. The fully redesigned BYD Atto 2 is anticipated to debut later in the year, with sales beginning before the end of 2025. Pricing is expected to start in the low to mid $20,000 range depending on the market, making it an attractive choice for buyers seeking a stylish, efficient, and affordable electric crossover. With its fresh design, upgraded technology, and proven electric performance, the 2026 Atto 2 is shaping up to be a strong competitor in the global EV market.